click a link, you're excited, and boom. A message appears 400 for error, page not found. Suddenly, you're staring at a wall where you expected a window. But wait. Don't be disappointed. That little error message, it's not the end of the internet. It's a reminder that the digital world is real, alive, and always moving. You see, the internet isn't perfect. It changes every second. Pages are created, deleted, moved, renamed. The 400 for error, that's the web's honest way of saying, hey, what you're looking for isn't here, but don't stop searching. And honestly, that's kind of beautiful. Even in failure, there's creativity. Some sites turn their 400 for pages into jokes, animations, games, even inspirational messages. Because even a broken link can tell a story. It's not about the page you didn't find. It's about the mindset you bring to it. Do you give up? Or do you explore deeper? The tech world is built on failure. Behind every successful website, every brilliant app, every powerful tool, there were errors, bugs, crashes, and yes, tons of 404s, but developers didn't stop. Designers didn't walk away, creators kept going. That's what makes this space so exciting. Every glitch is a lesson, every error is feedback, every 404 is a nudge that says, hey, maybe there's a better way to get where you're going. Whether you're coding, designing, building, or just browsing, remember, mistakes are part of the process. They're not roadblocks, they're road signs. They point you in new directions. So the next time you hit a 404, smile. You're not lost, you're learning. You're not stuck, you're discovering. Montage of creative 400 for pages, people building websites, people smiling at screens. This is the energy we love in tech. Resilience, curiosity, and a hunger to keep going. One page at a time, because in the digital world, even an error has a purpose, even a broken link holds value, and even a 404 can lead to your next big idea. If that hit you right in the inspiration button, go ahead and hit that like. Subscribe for more tech with meaning, and remember, every click is a new journey. Keep clicking, keep building, keep exploring.